This is not the Lada Niva you remember. This is the 2026 concept, where raw heritage meets futuristic vision. Bold, fearless, unmistakable. This vehicle doesn't just drive on roads, it creates its own path. Exterior design, built to dominate. The 2026 Lada Niva concept instantly commands attention. Its iconic boxy silhouette remains, but now it's wider, stronger, and more aggressive than ever. The X-shaped LED headlights give the front a powerful, almost intimidating presence, while honoring the Niva's classic identity. Massive wheel arches, high ground clearance, and rugged off-road tires clearly show that this SUV isn't made for comfort zones. It's built for extremes. At the rear, sharp vertical LED taillights and clean geometric lines deliver a modern yet unmistakably Niva look. Interior, a futuristic command center. Step inside and everything changes. This is no longer a traditional off-road cabin. This is a high-tech control room. Digital head-up displays, holographic-style interfaces, and a driver-focused layout transform the cockpit into something straight out of science fiction. Dark materials, red ambient lighting, and sharp angles create a mysterious, powerful atmosphere. Every element is designed not just for comfort, but to make the driver feel fully connected and in control. Concept spirit, the message behind the machine. The 2026 Lada Niva concept proves one thing: legends don't disappear, they evolve. This SUV is built for explorers, rebels, and those who refuse to follow the ordinary. It doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't blend in.